Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to do something. I'm just going to be doing some experimenting. I'm going to try Mountain Dew with passion fruit freezy with, I cleaned the chicken. Okay, I'm just going to, we got some onions. So a friend of ours gave us some cut onions. So do I need sugar? Oh, get some sugar. And sugar. But I'm just experimenting. What? Hey, me? Me experimenting. Yeah, oops. Okay, try put the, no, get these onions. Get like 1 teaspoon. Sprinkle it on top. Experiment this.
Mountain Dew?
Yeah. Why?
What's that do to it?
Okay, I've got tin foil here. Because we're going to put this in the oven. Because how long we've got to put it in the oven for? Well, about 20 or 30 minutes. Yeah, until it's golden. No, yeah. We're just experimenting. I am. Oh. Yeah, we got a funny oven, so. What? Open the oven. So we put it in the oven. I got to go like. Thank you for watching how to make Mountain Dew chicken nibbles, just for experiment. If you guys like this recipe, click the like button, subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Smells nice. And we've just done some veggies too.